Does Pi Network not function properly for you? Or you might not be able to use the Pi Browser because of a problem with your device or an issue with your internet connection. Well, this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you know how you can resolve all your issue with the Pi Network app. And also please use the comment section below to describe any problems you are having with the Pi Network app so that we can see how we can help you before we move further. I will like to say that it takes time and hard work making research and bring this to you. And the least you can do to help my channel to grow is simply liking and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and let's continue. It is among the most prevalent issues with the Android operating system. Normally, when you launch an app, you will observe a brief period of black screen time before the app crashes, either with or without an error notice. There are not many solutions to this issue. The majority of the time, the problem may be a temporary loading. Just restart your phone and then the problematic app is then closed. Reopen the app now, it might operate normally. In your Android smartphone, try a hard reboot. After that, you can now try opening the app. It might function properly, and if none of the aforementioned options work, you can wait until your phone's battery runs out and it shuts off on its own. After that, charge it and then turn the device on. After this, it might function. In case nothing else works, you might need to uninstall the software and reinstall it. As soon as you reinstall and log into the app, Android typically restores all settings. See also if that resolves the issue. The reinstall step also fails in a few unusual instances. Try installing earlier versions of the program if that applies to you. If your Pi Network app is unable to load or is malfunctioning, loading error, server error, connection issue, screen freeze, ping problem. There are a few circumstances that could result in the load problem in mobile apps. The loading problem could be brought on by the Pi Network app server being unavailable. Please give it another try soon. And also, you may have issue with your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. Verify your data connection, please. There are too many people using the software concurrently. Please give it another try soon. And also, if you are experiencing trouble logging into the Pi Network or with your account. If you are experiencing login or account-related issues, please you can try this. The login, account issue could be brought on by the Pi Network server being unavailable. Please try again after a short while. An issue with your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. Verify your data connection, please. You might be using the incorrect login information. Please be sure the information you are entering is accurate. If you're logging in through a third-party social network, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Google, make sure that service is operational by going to their official website. Your account could be suspended or deleted due to actions. Read error messages carefully. If you are also having trouble installing the Pi Network app, you can follow these steps. Verify the connectivity of your Wi-Fi and internet connection. Please verify the available storage on your phone. The app cannot be installed if your phone does not have enough space. Confirm that your Android version is supported by the Pi Network app you're trying to install. If your Pi Network app is not correctly updated, check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to make sure it is operational. You might not be able to update the Pi Network app because it is down. Verify that your phone has enough storage to download updates. Lack of storage space may be preventing you from updating your apps. Pi Network notifications are not functioning correctly. Check the status of notifications by going to Apps, Pi Network, and Notifications. Please make it available if it isn't already. Check again to be sure you haven't unintentionally silenced the app notification sounds if you don't hear any notification alert noises. Despite an internet connection, Pi Network won't load or just does so extremely slowly. If Pi Network cannot be loaded, find out what to do here. When an app from the App Store cannot be loaded and updated, it can be rather unpleasant. Only a portion of the app is loaded after hours, even though the download or update has already begun. Or even if you are connected to the internet, a software like Pi Network cannot be installed since the download does not begin. In addition, there may be further issues and faults, which are listed in the summary of all Pi Network issues. Pi Network won't open. You want to update or download Pi Network, but the program won't load. Thus it takes a very long time to begin downloading or to finish downloading. The Pi Network download is then frantically restarted by many, although this also has no positive impact. Many people may check the internet connection as their next effort. However, despite having full reception, the WLAN is either inoperable or operates extremely slowly. Pi network opens with great delay. Pi network's extremely poor download speed could possibly be brought on by the app's size. The download appears to be taking a long time on the progress bar. However, this may just be due to the size of the software. In the event of an update, you can check the size of the installation file in the relevant app store to determine if it may take a long time to load. Pi network update refuses to launch. Whether you want to download Pi network once more or upgrade it. If one doesn't work, you most likely have the same issues with the other and need to hunt for the same answers if the first didn't work. So that you can download the Pi network software without any issues, we have compiled a few potential fixes. For the Pi network download to function, we really hope that the options listed make it possible for you to load Pi network quickly. We welcome your comments at the end of this video if you are aware of any further options that we need to assist you. Verify your internet connection. The causes of Pi network's inability to load could not be more dissimilar. The majority of the time, your own internet connection is at blame. If your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network but is still having trouble, you should try using your browser to visit an online resource. This suggests that the issue is not with your tablet or smartphone. You should test the stability of the mobile connection before attempting to download the app over the mobile network, which is not advised due to data consumption. Perhaps your data volume has also been consumed and is just being made slowly available. It may also happen that your settings prevent you from downloading something from the mobile network. In this situation, you should examine your device's mobile data settings by restarting your tablet or smartphone. After updating the Android or iOS operating system, there are frequently issues with the App Store. It is possible that after a system update, the connection to the login information for the relevant store is no longer safe. This will reload all settings and features and, if necessary, re-establish connections to the App Store. You should then restart your smartphone or tablet. You can also verify your server health. If restarting and ensuring a stable internet connection does not fix the issue and Pi network is still loading slowly or not at all, the issue may also be with the servers of the Google Play Store for Android or the iTunes Store for iOS. Since the app is hosted on the servers of the App Store, which can occasionally experience overload or failure as a result of maintenance work, it shouldn't be the developer social chain servers that are to blame. Check the status of Apple's servers and Google's servers. Clear the cache and remove any data from the Play Store on Android. This will totally restart the app, which might fix issues. Launch the device's settings app. To view all apps, select Apps and Notifications from the menu. Select Google Play Store by scrolling down. Select Memory and Empty Cache. Next, select Clear Data. Reopen the Play Store and attempt the download once more. We thus hope that the advice and tactics were useful and that the Pi network download resumes fast and without incident. By the way, the overview of all Pi network issues may contain additional issues and inaccuracies. We look forward to hearing from you if the Pi network loading is still a problem for you. You can contact us through the Telegram or email in the description of this video. And that is it for now. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future update. Thank you and see you in the next one.